this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you how I love having multifunctional items in my house. These wide mouth mason jars have been so practical. I use this whenever I'm putting some iced coffee on my husband's lunch, and I appreciate that they're leak proof. He also likes making his overnight oats here. He prepares it a night before and enjoys it the next day, storing it in the refrigerator. These come with the lid, so you don't have to worry about finding one. I also use these whenever I'm pouring or serving myself some chocolate or any drink. I really appreciate that they have a wide mouth, so it makes it very easy for me to wash. Not only do I use it for pouring liquids, but I also use it for putting in there some grains or some spices. When I received these 6 mason jars, it was so nice how it came packaged because I knew none of them were going to be broken. So if you're looking for all-in-one, then definitely go for these. They have the cutest pattern as well, but that's just my point of view.